Montessori language class. Teach your child to read and write with our free online tutorials.
Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn letter M, N, and their sound. This is M. M sounds like Say monkey, monkey. Mailbox, mailbox. Milk, milk. Eaten, meaten. This is N. N sounds like n. Nest, nest. Nose, nose. Net, net. Nut, nut. Do you have this worksheet with you? You are going to cut this worksheet around the dotted line, and when you are done cutting, pick all the pieces next to you. Are you done cutting all the pieces? You can move on to next one. When we say monkey, what first sound we make? Monkey, monkey. Goes under We are going to put picture of monkey under Nest, nest. Goes under We are going to put picture of next under mailbox, mailbox. Nose, nose. Milk, milk. Nest, nest. Nut, nut. Eaten, meaten. You done sorting all the pictures? Let's move on to next one. We are going to play I Spy game. Let's start. I spy with my little eye something start with Let's find something start with Oh, here I found one. Milk. Milk, milk. Let's circle that. We are done with this. We are going to circle that too. I spy with my little eye something start with Let's find something start with Nuts. Nuts, nuts. We are done with this and we're going to circle that. Now you are going to find rest of the picture start with and and circle all of this. Then we can move on to next one. What picture is this? Nest. But it start with We are going to find and circle it. Here it is. Let's circle that. Now we are going to find rest of the first sound of these pictures. And when you are done, we can move on to next one. Here we are going to learn how to write M and N. And N. Let me show you. We are going to start with this black dot and follow that arrow. Watch first. Can you trace on your worksheet on M? Now we are going to trace one more time. Okay, let's trace on N now. We are going to start again with the black dot. Now we are going to trace one more time. Are you done tracing on N? Great, good job, you did it. We are done with today's lesson. See you next time. Bye bye.